the department in Department of Training and Technical Education of Government of Delhi. I did my PhD from University of York, UK. Today we are going to talk about my role model. Now, what is a role model? Is role model a mask which you can wear and project yourself to be something which you are not? No, it is not. क्या रोल मॉडल है? घंटी है जो आपको ये कहे कि घंटी बज गई आपकी और आप इस तरह के बन जाएंगे? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. क्या रोल मॉडल वो लोग हैं जिनके इंस्पिरेशन से हम कुछ प्राइज विन कर सकते हैं, हम कुछ ऐसा करते हैं जो हमें लाइफ में आगे लेके जाए. There is no single definition for a role model. No one person can be a role model. It is possible that you may have different people as your role models for different objectives. Role model, in my view, is a person who can help you think and lead you to your goal. Let me bring to you my role model from my past school days. See, this is a book which has been written by a role model, my teacher, who taught me, Chandra Prakash Sir, who was my role model when I was in school. He has written this book, The Journey of a School Teacher. There is very interesting thing about this book, but wait, I will let you know. A few months back, I got a call and a mail from my teacher, Chandra Prakash Sir, asking me to write a blurb for his book, and here it is, the blurb written by me for his book. Let me read the 11-line blurb which I had written for his book, line by line, sentence by sentence, word by word. I first got to know, sir, it's always difficult to write Shri Chandra Prakash for a teacher who I respect. As the vice principal, when I got admitted to Khana School, I found in him a strict yet friendly and lovable teacher when he started teaching us English. Now let me explain to you why I have written strict teacher. We were in a government model school. पंजाबी बोलने की आदत थी, पंजाबी बोलते थे, but he was so strict and he would not allow us to speak in Punjabi in his class. अगर हम कभी पंजाबी में बात करते थे, he used to say, कुड़िए पंजाबी नहीं. Strict ਸੀਗੇ ਪਰ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ friendly ਸੀ और स्टूडेंट्स ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ and ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ. So now let me read again what I have written about him. I found in him a strict yet friendly and lovable teacher when he started teaching us English. For the second sentence which I had written is, he taught English through the structural approach that helped me immensely to learn the finer nuances of grammar that come to my rescue even today. And it is true. Now let me read out one of the paragraphs from his book, what he has written about the students of our batch. During the session 1971-72, I used to teach English to class 11, 10 and 7. I had to leave the class in July 1972 when they were in class 8. That is, he is talking about our batch. They fondly remember me even today. Some of the students of the class are always eager to see me. Mahant Atmara, that is Ramanjit Singh, who is a famous philanthropist and a well-known religious preacher, lives at Patiala. He occasionally comes to see me. Mrs. Sangeeta Pasi, Puri, that is me. After securing her PhD in mathematics from the University of York, UK, is holding a very important teaching job at Mirabai Institute of Technology in Delhi. She came all the way to Patiala along with her husband to see me. It was really a memorable meeting. This is what he is writing. Irinder Walia is an axion in the Punjab Irrigation Department. Mrs. Preeti, daughter of Sardar Tarlochar Singh, MP and former chairman of the Minorities Commission of India, is a dietitian at the Gyan Sagar Hospital, Rajpura, Chandigarh Road. Many more of them come to see me during my old age and seek my blessings. They nostalgically recall their student days with me and enjoy recollecting the good old past days. They tell me about their classmates who are now happily settled in India and abroad. These happy memories of the good old days constitute to be a sort of balm for one's soul. This is what he has written about. Now, about our batch. And now you tell me, he is my role model because he still remember his students, and we are happy to be him, to see him, to meet him, and take inspiration from him. At this age, he has written this book. He has written about his journey of a school teacher. इतना कुछ बताने के बाद मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि मेरी दिल्ली